you can go with it. Go with it. Oh, you need the screws, right? That's the fuel pump control module. That's the fuel pump control module. This is E70, right?
X5.
Yeah, X5. This is a new piece. We need to change it and program it. And the location of it is here. This is the control module for the lift. Be sure that no water get into it, please. And here is the fuel pump control module. So let's go ahead and prepare it to take it out and code it. Okay. We are here, we just open it. The year of the car, we will get it now. Does it have water or anything? What is the symptom? Start sometime, no? You have a code for it?
We had a code for the module, but we had a code for like short in fuel pump.
Oh, okay. Yes. They made it so good. They made it so good. Let me see. Okay. It's clean, right? Okay, so I'm gonna go. When you're done, let me know. What year this car is? Let me see. 2011. Wow. That's turbo, twin turbo. Computer is located there in the corner. I want to see if the car will start. Car shut off. Start shut off because of the fuel pump. Turn it off again. Start again. It will not start. So let's see what needs to be done. Hopefully I will be able to do it with these tools. Okay. BMW models. Good. X5, X-Drive, E70. Continue. We have airbag light code also. CIP coding. Accept. You say require something. Okay. CPI version. Continue. Reading vehicle order, mileage and data. Please don't say you cannot do it. Good. Continue. In progress. Coding, individualization, programming. My game is just to do one computer. Some newer car you have to use this external one, and this is auto logic. I have airbag light also is on. That's not my concern. No problem. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Hold on. Let me check it. Let me check it right now. Yeah, it's there. Thank you very much. Anytime, just text me or call me. Thank you very much, Joe. So determine update, please wait. This may take a couple of minutes. I'm gonna leave this one for you just to understand how AutoLogic work or any other tools. You program cars only if compulsory module failure may occur. Okay, I don't want to do FRM variant detected. Program only. Don't worry about that. So programming, coding, retrofit, conversion. I don't want to do any update. I just gotta go here. Program selection of control unit. Program or code individual. To avoid complement SU control unit of the same subsystem maybe. Okay. That's if you are okay. Now here, what you need. Do you want a junction box, SCM, digital motor, fuel pump? I need this. No. What is this? Yeah, EKP. Yes. This control unit already program it. You don't need to just coding. Control unit coding, you wait. Coding control unit complete. Thank you. So I'm gonna go back. Back. Just say, yeah. I gotta go back to, what do you want to do? Drive, digital motor. Hello? Okay, now I'm gonna see what fault code I have in the engine. Mass air flow meter mixer, rail pressure sensor, air mass flow meter sensor. Those are problem. Rail pressure sensor, pulsability pressure too low before engine start. Okay, that's one of the reasons why we change it. Let me start it now. Turn the key off. Wait a little bit. Turn the key on. Okay. Start the car. Beautiful. Let me clear all this code. No fault code, read code. No fault code. Function, I don't need nothing function. Module information. So MVD17K, that's the computer bash. Okay, next, 3 pages. We have 3 pages. Okay, 3 pages also. Let me go back. I want to check something else for you. You're gonna like it. This is the fuel pump. Full code. Electronic fuel pump control unit not coded. Before was not coded. On this car here. Okay, what do you need to do? This is the information for it. Back up. I want to show you something again. On the body, airbag. Where is the airbag? Seat module, signal warning, display, footwell module, heating. Function Z. I don't know if it's here or not. Don't tell me in the chassis, no. Where is the airbag? Seat module, display information, trailer, comfort access. don't know where it is, but anyhow. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Thank you.